Hi everyone, Wade Trask with TMT at McGrath Bayside, and I'm very excited today to be at this unique acreage property here in Sheldon. Welcome to number 127 Winston Road in Sheldon.
As a born and raised resident of Sheldon, I couldn't speak highly enough than Sheldon property. It's a fantastic lifestyle acreage for the family and the kids to enjoy good times on weekends. But the area in here is absolutely hitting peak in growth. In the last 1 year, it's actually grown 20% in value in this area. In the last 10 years, it's grown over 60% in value on all the properties in Sheldon. Now over the area over here, most of them are 2.5 acres. But Winston Road and Henderson Road are actually bigger blocks. And this one located at the end of the cul-de-sac is in prime location. So what do you think about the property, guys? Just under 6 acres, it's a stunning wildlife lifestyle block. Don't forget we've got town water on the property as well, and school education's important here. We've got Sheldon College just over this side, and then we've got Redeemer Lutheran College not too far away as well. Wade?
Thanks Muzz. Now this property is going to be auctioned on site on Saturday the 2nd of October at 12 p.m.
Our family can't wait to see your family down here on site for an inspection soon.
Bye for now.